Okay, so yeah, I'm not exactly sure why I have my goggles on right now, but that hurt. Oh, come on. Okay, that wasn't even on. And now that you have a secure connection to the microphone, now I can start the video. What is up, guys? Today is going to be sort of a different video. I'm going to be a kind of unboxing. I had this box for about 2 or 3 weeks now. Nah, it's probably not been that long. Probably a week and a half to 2 weeks I've had this box sitting here in my room. And I haven't touched it. And I've been waiting to make a video, and I just haven't made a video on it. Yeah, so I got this manual right here for the bike out in the shed. It is what I originally was going to restore was this KX80 from Kawasaki. It's got 91 and 92, but now I have this manual, which has 80 from 91 all the way up to 2010. That's like 20 years in one manual. Got two. I got Tusk off-road, some gaskets for the top end to rebuild. Tells you what it's made of. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Don't need that either. Okay, before I do this, there's a barcode on here. Just gonna... Unrecognizable. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Sealed Wiseco box. Got it off eBay for $165 and a couple cents and change. We got the genuine Wiseco Performance Products logo on every side. It's a crankshaft. I got my bearings with it too. It's the top's the same thing. Bottom is not the same thing. It's not. It's just unmarked. So this is the first look. I've been sitting here for about 2 weeks not knowing what's in this box. I know what's in it, but it gave me a stock image like one of these, but I don't know what it actually looks like. So time to see and time to show you guys. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh. Ooh. Man. All of these on eBay were like $200. And then I found one for $165. I thought it wasn't legit. Okay, so we have from Wiseco all the oil seals in the bottom end, which it didn't say it had. It just said crankshaft bearings and gaskets. That's all it said. We got all the bottom end gaskets, and then it says how to install all of them. And apparently we have copper gaskets and O-ring gaskets over here. Transmission O-ring, inside clutch cover, water pump gasket, ignition cover gasket, outer clutch cover gasket, and 8 oil seals. I'm glad that it's not made in China. So if you buy this kit, this is what you will get. And that's it. So, no, I'm just kidding. This is our second one. Oh yeah, we got Wiseco, double Wiseco. That's what's inside. I hope you can see it. That is such a small crankshaft. Actually, though. Whoa, that's heavy. That does not look as heavy as it is. This is very deceiving when you look at it. Let me take the bearings out first. We got one bearing here. Not exactly sure how to approach this. Alright. Okay. I need like a knife or something. Oh, it's the same thing on the other side. I really don't want to break the box. I don't know why. I don't like breaking boxes. Unless it was like Chinese. But this is not Chinese. Oh my goodness, that was hard. Alright. So we got the box. Probably keep that for some reason. And we have a brand new crank bearing. If you can see that, it says made in Japan. No. Or just Japan on it. This thing is pretty cool. This is what I actually needed. This is like 20 bucks. This is 20, so these two are like 40 bucks. This is like $30 or $40 on eBay separately. I don't know why I had to cough like that, but I did. Oh, first try. So we got another one. So we got two of these stick these in the freezer. The very last thing that I have. Yep, it's still as heavy as I thought. I don't know why that's so heavy. I hope it doesn't drop. Alright, hope you guys can see this. Oh, okay. It's already lubricated up. I don't know how to go about doing this because I don't have gloves on. Oh, is that a wrist pin bearing too? It came with a wrist pin bearing. That is really cool. Let me get this packaging off of it. This side came out easy. This one is not coming out easy, and I don't know why. Oh, it's not the packaging, it's the crank. It's just that heavy. Oh my goodness. This is at least 5, 6, maybe 7 pound crank. Nope. This is pretty heavy. It doesn't even look like it. This has got to be like steel.
Not correct.
Yeah, let me get it out of this wrapping. So you get a bag and you get a shiny new Wiseco. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm going to bend it if I hold it by one of these things because it's so heavy. The crankshaft. You can see that it did not spin like this. I had to manually push on it to get it to even move. You're supposed to be able to do this and it drops. I hope this is genuine. It looks different, that's the only reason I say. Normally they don't have paint on them from the ones I see. But this tab right here, I don't know if it's supposed to be included. There's a tab right here. I don't know if they include that. I probably just got oil on that trying to wipe it off. This a tab right here. I'm not sure if that comes with the engine or if it comes on your previous crank that you had, or if it's in that thing. Probably not. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back into the box and stick it in here for now. So this is apparently what was sitting in my room for about a week and a half. This is an empty box. All in all, it was supposed to be about $200 for this, the service manual, and the gasket set that I have here. So all three of these basically amounted to about $200, all this. But then eBay wants to charge me tax, so I ended up paying $220 for it. If you want to rebuild one of these KX85s, you can do it pretty cheap. I don't think that $200 is really a lot of money to pay to rebuild a bike anyways. I did not get a piston kit with it. I just got a bottom end kit and I got a top end gasket kit, but I did not buy a piston and rings. But it did come with this wrist pin bearing as a plus. This is just kind of a video. I'm going to be gone. I'm going to be going Sunday to a camp, and then for 4 days, and then I'm going to come back what was supposed to be the 5th day just to come home and pack up and stuff, or maybe not even go home. I might just go from one to the other. So, and I'm going to be gone until probably the end of July. So I'm going to try to make as many videos as possible in this small amount of time that I have. Today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So technically, if I made a video every day, I'd have 5 videos to post. And I'm going to try to do that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I can link all these parts in the description if you want to go buy some, because Wiseco makes some really good stuff. Climber makes really good manuals, and Tusk makes really good gaskets. I have 2 kits of these. I have a Kawasaki manual over there. This was like 20 something. I think it was like 22. This was like 15, and this was the 165. All right, comment down below. B5008. B5008. Depending on how many people I get, Like if I get 5 people, then I'll do a drawing or a random flip a coin thing until I get down to 1 person. B5008, and you will still be entered. Also, I waxed a little bit of my leg hair off today, and it feels really weird now. Yeah, goodbye.